today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload multiple files to Dropbox. We'll walk through two simple ways to do this, using the Dropbox website in your browser and using the Dropbox desktop app on your computer. Both are quick, and the one you choose depends on where you prefer to work. Let's start with the website. Open your browser and go to dropbox.com, then log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the place in Dropbox where you want the files to go so they land exactly where you need them. The fastest method on the website is drag and drop. Open the folder on your computer that holds the files you want to upload. To select multiple files, hold the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac while clicking each file. If the files are grouped together, you can also click and drag your mouse to draw a box around them. With your files selected, click and drag them into the Dropbox page in your browser, then release. You should see the upload start right away. Keep the tab open and stay connected to the internet until everything finishes. This approach is great for quick batches and doesn't require any extra clicks. If you prefer using buttons, use the upload option on the website. Click upload, then choose files. When the file selection window appears, hold Control on Windows or Command on a Mac and click each file you want to include. When you're ready, click open. Dropbox will begin uploading those files to the location you've selected. You can watch the progress indicators to confirm everything is moving over as expected. Now let's look at the desktop app method, which feels just like working with regular folders on your computer. Start by selecting the multiple files or folders you want to upload from wherever they're stored. Right-click and choose copy, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Next, open your Dropbox folder in File Explorer on Windows or Finder on a Mac. Right-click inside that folder and choose Paste. The files will appear in your Dropbox folder and begin syncing automatically in the background. You'll usually see small sync icons that let you know when each file is done. Keep your computer and the Dropbox app running and connected to the internet until the sync completes. Once it's done, your files will be available in your Dropbox across devices and on the web. That's it, two easy ways to upload multiple files to Dropbox, whether you're in your browser or using the desktop app. Thanks for watching.